Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pretty Fit Community. If you are not my subscriber, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And if you're already my subscriber, then hello. I hope you all are well. So in this video, I'm going to share my review and my quick update of 2 weeks of Carolyn Girvan's Epic 2 challenge. If you don't know who is Carolyn Girvan, she's a certified personal trainer and she's a fitness YouTuber. And she's basically famous for her epic challenges. She has epic beginner challenges, epic 1 challenge, epic 2 challenge. Initially, I tried to do her epic 1 challenge, but that time I was not able to do it because I felt that I was not so much strong to do that. But this time I tried her epic 2 challenge and I successfully completed 2 weeks with her. And from tomorrow, I'm going to start my week 3. I am here to tell you my review and quick update about how I felt during these 2 weeks.
If you don't know what is Epic 2, you can go to her website and you will see a schedule of 10 weeks. It's a program of 10 weeks, means 2.5 months. And for 10 weeks, you will be training yourself with her. And she clearly mentions here in week 1, week 2, week 3, what she is going to target on these weeks. And if you are a intermediate or advanced level, then you should definitely try this Epic 2 workout. She already has Epic 1 workout, which was a great success. And if you are a beginner and if you think you cannot do it, you should definitely try her epic beginner workout. She has a beginner epic also of 5 days. If you think you are not ready to do epic, then you can definitely try this beginner epic workout and you should definitely try it. And basically for her workouts, you don't need so many equipments. It's just a pair of dumbbell, 2 pairs of dumbbell, basically one a lighter pair and other one is heavier pair. And if you want to add another options, you can definitely add multiple pair of dumbbells, ankle weights or small resistance bands. So it's so easy. You just need dumbbells and mats and you're good to go.
So I'm going to share few things that if you are thinking to try epic challenge, you should definitely try that. Number one thing is uniqueness. Her workouts are kind of unique. I have literally tried so many YouTubers, but I never found someone like Carolyn. She has such amazing moves that you will not get bored and you will literally enjoy each move. You will literally enjoy and they are so intense. Number two is organized.
I love how organized she is. Means she's actually mentioning that in week 1 she is going to try high intensity workout. In week 2 she's going to hit different muscles. So she's actually explaining that in which week she's trying to do what. And you can be mentally prepared that okay, this week I'm going to do this. So I should be mentally prepared for that.
I love how organized she is. Number three is positivity.
I actually get so many positive vibes, by seeing her only. Whenever you will search her workouts or you will see her workout, she has workouts like powerful full body workout, leg day workout, 45-minute shoulder and triceps workout. I mean, she never claims like others that get snatch waist, get abs, or get slim thick thighs, get this and get that. She never does like that. I mean, I feel so positive that she is just mentioning the body part and she's just doing her workout. She's just killing her workouts and she's not saying anything that you will get this or you will get that. I just feel so positive by doing her workouts and I just love this attitude of her.
So these are few things that if you are thinking to try that epic challenge, you should definitely try that. Now I'm going to share how I felt in these 2 weeks. So I'm going to rate it on the terms of difficulty, enjoyability, and then effectiveness. So number one thing is difficulty. Carolyn's workouts are kind of difficult comparison to other fitness influencer, and her workouts are kind of advanced level. Especially if you will see epic, it's kind of for intermediate and advanced level. So definitely her workouts are kind of difficult than others. So in difficulty, obviously 10 out of 10. And if you will say enjoyability, in the terms of enjoyability, I already told you that her workouts are kind of unique and I really enjoy each and every move of hers. I love how she explains everything before starting the workout and she always says quality over quantity. So I just love doing her workouts and I really enjoy her workouts. So in enjoyability, it's 10 on 10 again. And in the level of effectiveness, I just did it for 2 weeks. And I just want to say every time it's not about how much weight you have lost or inches you have lost. If you're becoming stronger day by day, I feel that's something great. And by doing her workout for 2 weeks, I'm already feeling so strong because last time when I tried her epic one, I was not able to do it. And I hardly survived for 3 days. But this time I completed my 2 weeks with her. So obviously I have become stronger. I have become so stronger. And actually I felt in week 1, day 1 was cardio and all. So on day 1 itself, my legs were so sore that on the next day was legs day, and I was not able to do it because my legs were so sore. So I took a rest because I don't wanted to torture myself. I took a rest, and after that again I started and I completed that week. And in week 2 she was targeting each muscles on every day, so it was too good. I really loved working out with her. And if you want to see that if there is any change, so this is when I started, and this is after week 2. I don't know if you can see any physical changes, but I can definitely see some definition in my legs, my quads, and I feel so stronger, and that's what matters for me every time. It's not about losing weight or losing inches. I am becoming stronger day by day. I am becoming the best version of myself, and at the end, it's you versus you, and you should not compare yourself with anyone. If you are ask me if it is worth trying, definitely it is worth trying, because I used to think that for strength training I need to go to gym or somewhere, but Carolyn actually told me no way, you don't need to go to anywhere. You just need dumbbells and mat, and you're good to go. So it is definitely worth trying. If you till now, if you didn't try Epic 1, Epic 2, please do try Epic 1 or Epic 2, whichever you like. And if you're a beginner, please try her Epic beginner workout. They are so good. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, press thumbs up, share this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.